Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Snapchat and tapping your profile avatar at the top left of the camera screen. Once done, make sure your app is updated and you're signed into the account that posts Spotlight content. You'll want Memories access enabled so saved Spotlight clips appear. Grant permissions when prompted. Next, scroll to the Spotlight section in your profile to begin locating favorites. This gets you directly to items Snapchat associates with. You now navigate to Spotlight inside your profile or the Discover area. This is where Spotlight content aggregates. Once there, make sure to filter by saved, liked, or posted to narrow items linked to you. Filters speed the search and reduce noise. Tap any clip to open it and access the three-dot menu for options like saving, reporting, or viewing creator info. While exploring, note timestamps and captions so you can confirm which clips are truly your favorites or related to your account. You finish by saving or sharing the clips you want to keep. Use the three-dot menu to save to Memories or export to camera roll. Once saved, you can reshare, pin, or add them to a collection for quick access. If a favorite clip is missing, make sure you're in the correct account, update the app, and check network access. If problems persist, clear cache in Snapchat settings and then contact support. This troubleshooting step resolves the most common visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.